Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's analysis, which is regarding none other than Pepe 2.0. We're going to be analyzing the charts, of course, and see what really is happening with the price and where we could see the price going in the immediate short term. I just want to say thank you so much for all your support. That support continues, motivating me to continue making these videos for you guys. So thanks for that support. Continue doing it, and I will continue bringing you guys these videos. So before we get into the analysis, of course, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So if we're looking at the price of Pepe 2.0 as of July the 11th, we can see the price is currently sitting at 85026. We're down about 3.3% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down about 2% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. If we're focusing on its market cap, $36.2 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $12.2 million. Something very interesting is going on with the price, which I will share with you guys. If we're looking at the holder count, it has increased. So that is quite impressive. I know a lot of people have different opinions on whether or not Pepe 2.0 could be successful, but we have seen the overall power of the community really show in just about 2 to 2.5 weeks time period. That really shows that a lot of people are excited about this. 13,500 holders, and it's continuing to grow. Obviously, I've said it from the beginning, there's only one Pepe, and I think you can't see any other Pepe coin come and overtake that. But we are seeing Pepe 2.0 acting like its little brother. But we're seeing the holder count increasing. We're also seeing the exchanges, more and more exchanges, of course, listed it last week. We saw the biggest one, KuCoin, come out and listed. That is very exciting. But a lot of people are saying now that Binance could be in the books. And that is something a lot of people are asking me as well, and I'm going to share my personal thoughts on that. So if we're looking at their Twitter, you can see, like I said, quite impressive, 20,400 holders, and just a matter of 2.5 weeks. So these are some factors that really indicate how good the momentum really is, and we can see that the momentum is still on its side despite the fact that it has seen a little bit of a retest. But now let's look at the price, see what is happening with the price and where we could be headed as we do go further into this upcoming week ahead of us. So right now, the price of Pepe 2.0 is holding at some very, very crucial levels of support, and I will share exactly as to why that's the case. If we're looking at the support, this blue line, which I mentioned to you guys yesterday in my update, I said, we've seen the price literally since July 9th, bounce back and forth here. You can see this for yourself, how many different times we've seen the price, come and retest the support line, and every single time though we have seen a bounce. You can see this for yourself. 3 different times there has been a bounce after this support line, and of course we would be expecting, now that it's retesting that support line, we would be expecting that there could be a bounce once again, and obviously that is what we would want to see happen. But with that said, there is a strong chance that we could see the price going down, maybe even breaking below yesterday's low, which was at that 74 cents mark. And if that were to happen, we could see a 10 to 15% drop within the price for Pepe 2.0, and that is just a fact that a lot of people need to realize, because the support line is very, very important, and we need to hold that. We could be retesting the July 5th wick that was back here, of course, which was the level of resistance as well at one point. We could be headed back down to that level if this support line does not hold. And with that said, if we're examining the price of BTC, Bitcoin, once again, a lot of sideways momentum, a lot of liquidation happening for longs and shorts. We're seeing that happening day by day. So that shows there is a lot of volatility within the price of Bitcoin, which is of course impacting the entire market, because now if I'm going and showing you guys throughout the market over the last 24 hours, you can see a lot of coins are down, especially over the last 7 days. We're seeing a lot of red across the last 7 days time period. You can see this for yourself. So that obviously shows that Bitcoin is really shaking a lot of you know, not a lot of people, I wouldn't say a lot of people, but you know, in terms of the market sentiment for the altcoin season that a lot of people are anticipating, you know, Bitcoin is withholding that power right now because the majority of the momentum is still on its side. And we're also seeing Bitcoin dominance climbing back up to almost 52%. So these are some factors we need to keep in mind. But, you know, I've told you guys this from the beginning. I even shared this with you guys in the past updates. You know, we are seeing corrections. We are seeing massive sell-offs happening for meme coins. And this is, you know, quite normal in the meme coin market. You can see, you know, these coins can make life-changing gains. As I've said, why do you think meme coins are so hyped up? A lot of people understand that, you know, this could, if you pick the right coin, you could be making some massive gains. But at the same time, it's not always great things, you know, it's not always things that you want to go your way. There will be times where things are not going your way. If you think there's no going to be any sell-offs, consolidations happening, well, you are wrong. That is never going to be the case. There will always be a sell-offs like this, because remember, we've seen this project literally from July the 1st climb up about almost 12x in a matter of a few days. And after that 12x, it's seeing a retracement of about 63%. If you bring out the measuring tool from July 1st and measure it to the current price level, it's still up 356%. Obviously, sorry, as I've said to you guys before, there's a lot of factors that go into this. You know, massive whales, maybe exchanges are selling, because exchanges do buys, you know, whenever they list a project. And of course, you know, we do tend to see the whales too. You know, the people that bought back here, who is anyone to tell that, you know, they're not locking their profits in around this range? Of course they are. They can even lock it in around here even after missing its all-time high, and they still be okay with a 4x, and you can't stop anyone from doing that. And this is the risk factor that comes with a meme coin market, and this is why I always say lock those profits. And you know, if you guys go date back to, you know, videos when I was making around here, I'm sure you will see comments, 1 or 2 comments here and there saying, no, you know, we're waiting till you know, $200-300 million market cap. With that, you will be left behind. Anyone that locked their profits in around here and they're picking it up here, that would be a great trade. Even if it were to go down 10-20%, doesn't really matter to these people because they've literally locked in their massive gains that they have made over the time. But, you know, could this be listed on Binance? Okay, that is the next question that a lot of people have. Remember, guys, Binance has gone through some very, you know, regulatory look, you know, a lot of pressure from the regulatory side. So them listing another meme coin, we haven't really seen a new meme coin get listed after Pepe and Floki. So could Pepe 2.0 be that case? In order for that to happen, you know, Pepe 2.0 needs to get like some crazy amount of volume. One great thing to point out is that it is trending, you know, it continues to trend, and that does show that, you know, the hype is there. But, you know, it needs insane amount of volume coming in, and potentially we could see it happen. But, you know, I don't see Binance listing this unless it crosses, you know, $200 million market cap, which again, we will have to see. In the short and medium term, we will have to see. It almost reached 100 million, of course, due to KuCoin announcement and a lot of other exchanges coming in listing it. But, you know, I would say that, you know, around that 150 to 200 million, that's where we could start having that conversation about Binance listing or not. As of now, I think it's too early to be talking about a Binance listing for Pepe 2.0. But let me know in the comment section what you guys think. What are your thoughts on this? Love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.